Hi guys! Today Hidemyacc will introduce a new feature in Hidemyacc 3.0.42 Import and Export Profiles. This feature is only available from Business Plan. With the Import-Export Profile feature, you can securely store all profile data even after deleting a profile. Follow these steps to export your profiles. Select the wanted profile and click on Export. Choose the data you want to store, including cookies, history, bookmarks, and local storage. The exported data will be saved as a compressed file. Click Save to complete the download to your computer. The information saved in the Excel file includes profile ID, profile name, operating system, notes, browser source, browser type, and data. If you wish to import a profile again, select Import Profile icon and drag the file from your computer. Then select the profiles you want to add and click Import. Please note, if you haven't deleted the file you exported the data to, you won't be able to import it again. This is because system will restore profile based on their profile ID, and each profile has a unique ID. So, if the system detects an attempt to import an existing profile ID, the process won't be completed. Therefore, you need to delete the old profiles and proceed with the import as usual. You can also import profiles that others have exported, using the same steps mentioned above. Hidemyacc has provided you with instructions on how to perform the Import-Export Profile action in Hidemyacc 3.0.42. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask for our support via Telegram, Facebook, Skype, or email. Thank you for using Hidemyacc. Hope you all succeed.